Hi, TV.
Of
Where are you going?
school to the Henry.
School, you taking the new Henry?
Yeah.
Hmm.
She the home one.
Mm-hmm.
Have mine.
Okay, you want to take yours. So today's traditional day. GB is wearing traditional clothes. And GB decided to take his Henry on traditional day to his nursery. Okay, let's take it. Let's take it to the car. Come on. GB, we're already late. Come on. Yeah. Sit on your booster, darling.
My brush broke.
Uh-huh. I'll put your belt on the other side. Okay, so we're here. Okay, let me help you, darling.
Where's that one?
Huh?
It's that
Let me move your booster. And
the big one.
oh no, disaster. Mm-hmm.
It's loud. The tool's off.
No, the tools are not off. Come on,
Yes.
careful.
The tool's off. Actually,
Okay. You close
close the
it.
door.
Uh-huh.
Look the door.
Come on.
What's that?
So this is GB's new Henry. Lift this up. God. Come on. Chop, chop.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, fine. I'll hold the tools for you. I'll hold the tools for you. Yeah, you slide the Hoover. Uh-oh. Okay. Yeah, you need to knock on the door. Let's press the button. Okay. Come on. Uh-huh. You've got a new one. He's got a big one.
Whoa.
Okay, fine. Here you go. Take your cupcakes for the party.